It's VJ from Canada. Beautiful July day here. Really hot, but I'm not complaining. Just going to do a review on Proton Mail. Now, I was looking for an alternative to my Gmail since I decided to boycott all things Google. I hate Google. Google is evil. So I came across Proton Mail. I'd been using it for a couple months, and it was free, and it was ad-free. You had the option of going premium, but why would I pay for an email account when for the last 20 years it's always been free? The layout was a little bit cluttered, but you know, it was working for a while. Anyways, I was basically just using it to talk to my sister and my mother. And I got an email from my mom on my Gmail account saying that my Proton Mail was so secure and encrypted she couldn't get into it. And I thought that was rather odd, but I just wrote it off that Mom is a senior and not very tech savvy, so you know, I just let it go. But I was checking my Proton Mail, and yo and behold, I get an email from their staff saying that they've been hit with a denial of service attack, or several of them, and they went on to say that there is a conspiracy to do the servers harm, and that may very well be the case, but you know, that's not my problem, and so I've decided not to use Proton Mail anymore. No slight against them. These things happen, but who can be bothered with something so unsecure and so unencrypted? But anyways, that's my opinion or my review of Proton Mail. Cheers from Canada.